Welcome to Tarot Fragrance by Suman. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good and are enjoying your stay at home. Or is it like lockdown has been lifted? Anyways, so guys, this reading I'm going to be giving you for your career and finances. I have been giving you reading only for love and relationship, and only in the end it was like some kind of a small advice kind of a thing is that we were taking. Now this time I'm going to be giving you complete reading on your career and finances. So let us find out for your career and finances what is that you have for you for the next 15 days, that is from 16th July to 31st July. Yeah, so let us find out. So there is no need to keep your partner's name in your mind. Yes, if you have any business partner with you, you can. Otherwise, if you're working somewhere, you can keep your boss's name in your mind, or the people you deal with. Okay? So let us just begin the reading for you for career and finances for the next 15 days. So please, guys, be positive, and this is a general reading. This may not resonate with everyone, so keep what resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, this is just for entertainment's sake that we do it. Okay, but through this, if you get some kind of a guidance, I really feel extremely good. I'm more than delighted to give you any kind of a guidance when it comes to tarot reading and all. You can feel free to ask me any kind of a questions related to your love life, relationship, or your career and finances. So you can reach me on my WhatsApp number. You can get my WhatsApp number in the description box below. And okay, let us not waste our time any further and start the reading for today for your career and finances for the next 15 days. Stay positive, guys. So, all the angels from the universe, please help me out with the reading for my viewers for their career and finances for the next 15 days. I don't know the way you guys are, excited to know about your love and relationship. The same kind of an excitement do you have it for your career and finances? I don't know. But let us do career and finances because this is also equally very important, isn't it? For some, this is more important than their personal lives. There are such people also. So, anyways, so let us begin the reading. Okay, let me now pull out the cards for you. As usual, I'm going to be pulling out only 5 cards for you. And in the end, we are going to be taking 1 card for advice. And if needed, we can take a couple of more cards also. So, the first card is the Fool. The second card is 5 of Cups. Third card is Ace of Wands. Fourth card is, what is this? 8 of Wands. Fifth card is Ace of Cups. Oh my god. Two aces you got. And the bottom of the deck is 9 of Swords. So you guys are under some mental pressure. I think people who are working under, some organization or something, maybe they have a lot of targets and goals to be met. So it's like there's a lot of work pressure on them, and these guys are not able to sleep also properly at nights. Some people, they have this sleep disorder, I feel, or maybe due to tension and pressure and the stress which they are going through in their workplace, that is bothering them a lot. So they are all night kind of engrossed or busy remembering all those things, and very tensed because they don't know what is that tomorrow morning is going to hold for them. The boss may be very strict or something, but from the car it doesn't seem that the boss is very strict. Okay, and anyhow, this is the energy you guys have at this point in time for your career and finance. I'm so sorry. And again, this card, Five of Cups. Maybe last time around, when you had some kind of a project in your hand, you were not very successful in getting any kind of a fruitful outcome from that project. And but this card is actually showing that you don't have to feel so disheartened for the fact that you still have a few opportunities left with you where you can shine, where you can show your show your brightest side to achieve something really good in your life. So if you are into some kind of a business, again, if you have uh, invested some kind of an amount in some business, again there you met some kind of a losses. So you're thinking about that and you're in this sad energy. But the cards are saying that you are going to come up with lot of new opportunities. There are a few people who may be looking for new job for them. So those who are looking for new job for them may come up with some new job for sure in the next 15 days. If they have applied somewhere, please do check your mailbox because you are going to be getting some offer letter from some company. And people who are into business are going to be starting some new project. Okay, but the cards are there's one warning. There's one warning in the card. This warning is something when they say this card says that supposingly if you start any kind of a project, any kind of a business, if you plan to start something new, then in that case you have to be very careful. You this energy is something when this person can you see this animal, and again there's one more animal, they are like he's going somewhere. Can you see this cliff? If he does just take 1 inch further, he may fall. So he is taking a huge risk. So there are people around him who are telling him not to take that risk, but he doesn't want to listen to anyone. He just want to give it a chance. So he has this leap of faith in him, and he wants to try out something. So the cards are suggesting you either you can go for whatever you want to do in your life, but you need to have that leap of faith in you, or there are chances, because we have two negative cards over here, so there are chances that if you are careless about it, if you don't if you like without any planning, without any survey about the project or about the company you're going to be dealing with, if you do not make those necessary what is this necessary checks and cross checks with the company, then there are chances then that you may come across some kind of a big failure or something. So you have to be very careful before you start anything. Okay, so this is what the cards are telling me. Okay, so let us see what do we have. Okay, the bottom of the card was the world card. So there are a lot of people who are going to be traveling. There are a lot of people who are going to be working with companies based across the border. I mean, not, I mean overseas, international projects and all. Some people may be traveling to different countries. Something related to their work, something related to their career and finances. Let us see what is that. Do you want more reading on this? Chalo, let us have a more clarification kind of a thing about this. Tell us more about their career and finances for the next 15 days. Angels, please. That fool card will clarify. Oh my god, see. Again, yes. Five of Pentacles. This is what the card is suggesting you, if you take a foolish kind of a decision in your life without any, finding out whether the project which is being offered to you is authentic one or not, or you're not, if you are not taking complete care of, interacting with your company with whom you're going to be dealing, about the various facts which have been maybe are hidden from you, or if you kind of when it comes to documentation and all, and if without without making a proper, what is that, proper, uh, what is that, what to say, proper, mm, I don't know the term, but you have to be very careful when you are signing any documents or something. This is what the card is telling you. Otherwise, you will face some losses. This is what the cards are telling. So, guys, let us just take one quick advice from the universe. What is that the universe suggests us? Universe is suggesting you, please don't be in a hurry. Yes, same. Don't be in a hurry to sign anything, any papers without doing proper verification of the papers. Yeah, that word I was actually missing is verification. So you have to make a proper verification before you plunge into any project. Okay, so don't rush. Don't sign any papers. Do proper verification about the papers. Find out the facts and truths and everything. Have a proper and a clear communication with the company you're going to be dealing with people you doing business with whom you're going to be dealing. You have to have a very clear cut communication with them, and this is what the cards are saying. So with this, I finish this reading for today for your career and finances for the next 15 days, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, please do take good care of yourself, and bye. Let me check if this works. This is not working. So guys, anyways, yes, a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, who have put their precious comments into the description box. This is so inspiring, I tell you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much again, and keep writing your beautiful comments and keep inspiring me like this, so that keep motivating me so that I make more videos, beautiful videos, better videos to entertain you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And yes, guys, those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Like and share my videos. Share with your near and dear ones. You never know who wants this kind of a guidance and who gets benefited out of it. So, see you soon. Bye, guys.